Hello, my friends. It's been a couple days. So, I wanted to pop in. I did not feel good yesterday. We went to Mexico last weekend and I don't know what happened. I also had like this quinoa veggie burger yesterday. Should have just stuck with the meat. Was not, or 2 days ago. Yesterday I was like dead, like down for the count. But I wanted to pop in because I was thinking about it today as I was contemplating not going to work out. And I didn't go yesterday because I just could not. But I was thinking it's so important to show up in life and to show up for yourself, but also for those around you. So like if you are doing life, you might have kids, you might have a husband or a wife, you might have just family, you might have people, maybe you're on a health and wellness journey, and you have people who are looking to you as inspiration or motivation, and they're thinking to themselves, man, I don't want to go to the gym either. Or you have people on your team in business, on in network marketing, that are like, how does this person find success? How do you find success in life in all of those crazy amount of areas? You show up. So yesterday, didn't really show up. Felt like crap. Sat on the couch all day. Today, I made myself do my hair. I put on a dress earlier. I got out of my house. I went to a coffee shop and I went and worked and intentionally did things that I needed to get done and I know I needed to do. And thought to myself, ugh, I just don't even want to go to the gym. But you know what I did? Came home, had lunch, healthy lunch, stuck with my macros, and changed so that I'm going to go work right now at a coffee shop, and then I'm going at 4:30 to yoga. I need to. Because if I don't, I'm going to get in this habit of saying, oh, I'll do it tomorrow. Oh, you know what? I just don't feel like it today. I don't have time. But you do have time if it's important to you. We've had so many talks on this. If it's important, you'll make time for it. If it's not, you won't. And my health right now is super important to me. Of course, my battery's dying. My health right now is super important to me. So how are you showing up for your kids? How are you showing up for your husband? Are you coming home? Are you being intentional with your relationship? Are you having conversations? Are you turning off your phone and just focusing on your kids and your family? Or are you trying to multitask your business and your family? Doesn't work. How are you showing up for your business? Are you multitasking your business with other things that you have going on in life? Because that doesn't work either. How are you showing up as a leader? Are you reaching out to people? Are you putting in the effort to grow your business so that people that are underneath you or that are working alongside of you are showing up and working their 100% for their business? Because chances are if you're working at 100%, people on your team are working at 50 to 75%. If you're only working at 50%, what do you think the percentage is that they're working at? So, though you can't always motivate people, they need to motivate themselves, you can show up in life and be super intentional with what you're doing with your 24 hours in your day. There's leaders out there. Find them. They show up every day, even if they're not with your company. Even if they are, like, I love Rachel Hollis. Love me some Girl Wash Your Face. She's a great writer, and I love following her on Instagram. She shows up every single day, no matter what. Jen Sincero, the How to Be a Badass Writer, she shows up every single day. So find inspirational people that motivate you, that you can find some inspiration from, that show up daily, that you can give you some inspiration on how to show up in your own life. So I challenge you, it's noon. Nope, just kidding, it's 1:30. How are you going to show up the rest of the day? If you're at work and at your day job, how are you going to show up when you get home? Are you going to take time and intentionally set time aside for your family, then possibly work your side hustle? Don't try to do them both at the same time. Give one time, then give the next time. And how are you showing up? Are you showing up positive? Are you showing up with your hustle face on? Or are you showing up like, hey, hi, I'm here. So excited to be here. Because people can really, really feel that. And that's a big thing, Jenny. So how are you feeling and how are you showing up? Because if you walk into a room and you're like, Yep. Just at this coffee shop, like here to do some work, and you're just kind of vibing low and your energy is super low, people will feel it and people will be like, get away from me. I don't want to have a conversation with you. I don't even want to know what your name is, and I'm not going to make eye contact with you because, girlfriend, you are over there and you are in a weird place. You're in a funk, right? But if you show up and you walk in and you smile and you make eye contact with people and you smile and you are showing up for life, you look good, you feel good, people are going to notice and they're going to be like, I want whatever that girl has. Whether that's your friendship, whether that's a relationship, whether that's to do business with you, whatever it is, they're going to want what you have. So you have to intentionally show up in every single aspect of your life, every single day. And you know what? I'm not perfect. I sat on the couch yesterday and I watched I Feel Pretty. If you've never seen that movie, you totally need to see it. And I listened to some YouTube videos, like some motivational things, to try to inspire myself as I was laying there feeling like I was dying. And today I told myself, you gotta get up, you gotta do it. So is every day perfect? No. But can you be intentional with how you are showing up in certain areas of your life every single day? Absolutely. So I challenge you to take a look at how you showed up today for the first half of your day, and how can you just take a couple deep breaths, release all of the negative energy, and like set an intention for the rest of the day to really show up in whatever that looks like for you. Because I'm going to go to the gym and I'm going to rock it out, and I'm going to try to meet a new friend there, because you got to meet one person a day, right? And I'm going to go get some work done right now. So I love that this is helping Jen. So as always, guys, if you found value in this, share it with a friend, because chances are sometimes you don't know if people are feeling down, or if you are feeling like they don't know how to show up, or they don't want to show up, or they're just not feeling great about life, or they're in a funk, or they're in a moment. Share this with somebody. Tag them in it, send it via messenger, but if you found value, make sure that you share it with your friends. So have a great day. Go and do it. And I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.